Namaste. I am Wing Commander Vyomika Singh, a helicopter pilot in the Indian Air Force. I come from Lucknow, a city where my earliest memories were of looking up at the sky and wondering if I could ever be part of it. That simple wonder turned into a goal and then into my life's work. I was the first in my family to choose a career in the armed forces, which means some people did not understand my dream at first. When I first decided to join the Indian Air Force, it was not a smooth path. There were days when the training was exhausting, when expectations were high, and when the gap between where I was and where I wanted to be felt heavy. Sometimes I failed, sometimes I was tired, and many times I had to remind myself why I started. But every challenge taught me something important, that perseverance and discipline are stronger than doubt. I was commissioned as a helicopter pilot on December 18, 2019, receiving a permanent commission in the flying branch of the IAF. Since then, I have logged over 2,500 flight hours operating helicopters like Chetak and Cheetah in some of the most demanding terrains in our country, from the high mountains of Jammu and Kashmir to remote forests in the northeast. My first major operational mission was in Arunachal Pradesh in November 2020. That was not a movie scene, but real lives depending on calm judgment and precise flying in extreme weather and high altitude. That mission taught me that being a pilot is not just about skill, it's about responsibility. We have danger, and that reminded me that heroism often looks like doing your job well when others are scared. In 2021, I also participated in TRI services, all-women mountaineering expedition to Mountain Manirang at over 21,000 feet. That experience was not just about climbing a peak. It was about endurance, teamwork, and proving to myself once again that limits can be pushed when you trust your preparation and your team. One of the moments that brought me into the national spotlight was Operation Sindhu, where I represented the Indian Air Force during the official briefing. This was not about personal glory, that it was about explaining with clarity and calm how our forces acted with precision and purpose in response to the serious threat. It was a reminder that our duty is always to protect and serve, and that the communication, honesty and transparency is a part of leadership. Through every stage of this journey, I have learned that life is not about avoiding difficulty. It is about meeting it. Life does not give special treatment to dreams. It tests them. But if you are prepared, if you are disciplined, and if you work harder than your fears, you can make this dream real. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.